Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's topic is steroids. So, steroids are some hormones produced in adrenal cortex, testis, ovary, and some peripheral tissues like adipose and the brain. All steroid hormones share a typically ring-like structure. All steroid hormones are derived from the cholesterol and differ only in ring structure and the side chain attached to. Steroids in when I have told you in secondary metabolites, this generally steroid also derived from the secondary metabolites. I have discussed about this slide. Steroid basically organic compound in four rings, rhizoper araceous in these four rings. Types of steroid hormone: glucocorticoid. Cortisol is the major representative in the most mammal. Mineral corticoids, aldosterone being most prominent steroids. Androgen such as the testosterone, estrogen including estradiol and estrone. Progesterones also known as a progesterone such as a progesterone. Steroid hormone are the package but synthesized in a immediately released. All are derived from the same parent compound cholesterol. Enzymes with the produced steroid hormone from the cholesterol are located into the mitochondria and smooth air. Steroids are liquid soluble and thus are freely permeable to membrane, so are not stored in the cells. Steroids hormones are not water soluble, so they have carried the blood complex specified binding globulins. It can be bind in globulins and they are not water solubles. Corticosteroids binding globulins carry cortisols. In some cases, steroid is secreted by the one cell and converted into the active steroid by the target cells. For example, androgen, which is the secreted by the gonad and converted into estrogen in the brain. Function of steroids. We will discuss in next lecture function of steroids. So I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, write down in comment box. This version is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with this session. Thank you.